In this tutorial I am going to show you how to manipulate this simple picture into the fantasy creation. Please see the description for the resources. Open the picture and duplicate the layer background. Create the layer mask so that we can recover the picture when we deleted the picture mistakenly. Select the eraser tool and choose the hard round brush with approximate brush size and start deleting the picture on layer mask. You can also use any of the tool for selecting and deleting the picture. I am using eraser tool and quick selection tool for the purpose of removing the background. For more convenient, you can also use some background color for recognition of picture which we are deleting. I am using a new green layer below the layer 1. Now apply the layer mask. Now disable the green background layer. You can seek the complete picture of the boy separate from the background. Copy the separate picture of the boy and paste it into the background and resize it by holding Shift key. Approximately resize it according to the background. Move the picture to appropriate place and fix it. Crop the image using crop tool. Duplicate the background layer. Press Ctrl+J. I am renaming the layer 1 to boy and duplicated background to BG. Click on layer BG and choose camera raw filter. Adjust the sliders and adjustments so until we get the correct composition. I am adjusting accordingly so that I can get dark background for my picture. Slightly adjust the exposure, contrast, shadows, and blacks. Always give some crisp look by adjusting the clarity slider for better look. Give some blur effect to background so that it looks realistic. Choose Gaussian blur. Duplicate the BG layer before blurring for safety purpose. Adjust the radius to approximate pixels. Use camera raw filter for the layer boy to adjust him as per the background. I am adjusting the sliders to make his jerkins and t-shirt to dark. Our picture is ready with dark shades. Now we have to add fire flames to the hands. Place the flame PNG image. Hold the Control key and drag the corner points for free transform. Reduce the opacity and fill to 80 to 90%. Use the eraser tool to erase the fires over the hands. Remember to keep the opacity of eraser to 55 to 65%. Now give some layer style to make it more realistic. Give the inner shadow with yellow color. And reduce the opacity. Use the levels to adjust the lighting of the flames. Click on clipping mask so other layers won't be affected. Duplicate both the layers for the other hand. For even more realistic, add some fires on the windows of the background picture. Place the fire over the windows and change blend mode to screen. Duplicate the fires and add it to some more places of the background. Use eraser tool to erase the unwanted fires. Merge all the layers of fires. Change the blend mode to screen again and merge it to the background layer. I am going to add HDR filter to the background using Nik Software HDR Effects Pro. Give some Gaussian blur to the background. Apply some vignette to the background using Camera Raw filter. I am giving details to the boy's picture using Nik Software. Color Effects Pro's Detail Extractor. Now it's a time to change the hairstyle of the boy. Use smudge tool and start working on hair of the boy. Use appropriate brush angles and size according to the hair. Reduce the strength of brush to 20 to 40%. Slightly drag over the hairs and don't speed up the process. Give strokes to the hair only on one direction. Add some curves to the face and whiten the skin tone. Erase the unwanted areas of the curves to spot the face. You can see the face is having so many shadows and black shades. We have to retouch the skin. For that, use mixer brush tool with appropriate flow and mix. Give strokes only on one direction or else it will smudge up with the skin. Use smudge tool to soften the skin. Add strokes to faces and necks with lower strength. Add some dust particles to the picture so that it feels realistic. Change the blend mode to screen. Place the particle above all the layer. Duplicate the particle and spread it across all the sides of the picture. Erase the particles over the faces and body parts. Apply Gaussian blur to the dust particle. Now we are going to change the eye color to blue. I am using blue eye PNG image for this. Hold Ctrl key and drag the edge point of the eye to adjust accordingly. Use soft eraser and erase slightly over the curves of the eye. Duplicate the eye and place it on the other eye. Look at the eyes, we have bright blue color, it seems unrealistic, so reduce the saturation of the blue color. I am going to add coloring to hairs, something like blue. For that, I am going to use brush tool with lower opacity flow and give strokes to the hair of its direction. Reduce the opacity and fill of the blue color until you are satisfied. For adding borders, create a new layer, select, modify, and select borders, enter some width values 10 to 30. Go to Edit, Fill, and choose white and click OK. This is our final manipulated picture. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more tutorials.